As I'm looking through my instructions, I just realized there's supposed to be two metal brackets, the main bearing stiffeners, that go from one end to the other on each side. But I never took any of those out of either of these engines I took apart. I just looked in my spare parts. I don't see any. Anyway, I have my oil strainer. I checked this O-ring and I don't have a replacement. It's kind of a weird shaped O-ring, so it looks really good, so I'm just going to leave that on there. And this guy just pokes into that hole right there, lines up with that hole on the bearing over here. There we go. And a couple of these little star drive screws go in there. These are pretty small screws, so I don't want to tighten them too much. Got the strainer in. I like to use a nice thin cork oil pan gasket. It's kind of a hassle to put in, but it's like way nicer when you have to take it back off. Alright, so now all I need to do is screw this oil pan back on. Okay, my lower engine block is done. So turns pretty easy. Next project, this dirty guy. We'll get started on that pretty soon.